Hello and good morning. Welcome to my channel and a Quasar Collection Edition video where I'll show you how I make my own jewelry. Like these earrings here, how pretty. I will show you how to make some. How shiny, oh my goodness. Yes. And here are some other ones that I made. Oh no, they're gonna slip. I gotta fix it. Okay, there we go. Okay, now look how pretty. Alright. So the tools that I'll be using today are going to be some wire cutting pliers, I guess. Some skinny nose pliers, or needle nose, I don't know. But they're skinny. See how it's skinny? And then also some regular pliers that also act as wire cutters. So these are the tools that I'm going to be using. Okay, so for my first demonstration, we're going to be using some gold plated earrings. It's not actual gold, but look at tiny holes. And some 23mm wrapping wire. It is also gold. And I am going to begin by unstretching the wire to a desired length, kind of long enough so that you know, I can wrap the little loophole for the earring piece without losing too much, you know, length. Sorry, I just burped. But anyway, here I go. I'm cutting it. And the wire, it looks a bit long, but trust me, I'm going to need all of this length. I'm securing the wire back in its place. Okay. And now I'm just straightening out the wire because, you know, while you're cutting it and all that, you can bend it. So here, I'm going to be using little glass beads. They're actually semi-precious, they're not actually glass. And that's how I'm going to form the earring, with one on top and one on the bottom. So here I am placing the wire in between the needle nose pliers, like holding it inside the grip. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap that up and over, and I'm going to wrap the other side of the wire up and over the pliers, and then I'm going to tighten the little loop there, and I'm going to pull it out once it's all straightened and secure. And you shall see that I have created a little tiny pinhole to stop my bead from slipping out of the wire. So I don't need another bead underneath my bead to stop it from slipping. I created a little hole. So here I go with the little glass, or semi-precious bead really, and I'm placing it inside the wire, or placing the wire inside the hole, sliding it down. Sometimes if it's tough, I grab pliers and I hold the wire and I just manually pull the bead down. Look at that, nice and tight. A little tiny pinhole to stop the bead from slipping. Although my camera is so terrible you can't really see, but here you go. Try to use my apron. Alright. So now I'm just going to continue pulling it down just a bit so it's more snug. And now once I feel that it is looking pretty nice, I put it in the hole. Sorry. Alright, look at that. Alright, so that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to top it off with the other bead. Alright, now it's time to create the little loophole to place the earring hook in. So I'm going to place the needle nose pliers in between the two pieces of wire in the shape of a V, obviously, like that. And then, once I'm done derping out, I'll tell you what else I'm doing. There we go. Sliding it right through like that. Sorry, my camera quality is so terrible. I'm trying to explain the best I can. And then I'm just going to wrap the two little wires over the needle nose plier that's holding them. And then when I bent the other one over, I gotta take it out, slide it through the new hole, and then continue wrapping the wire around the pliers. And then I'm going to wrap the remaining wire piece around the loophole so that it creates a nice hand-wrapped appearance on the earring. So I'm just trying to figure out a good viewpoint to do this, but that's what I'm doing. See, I'm wrapping it around, and sometimes if there is some wire sticking out, I will clip it off. If not, if there's not too much wire, I'll just continue to wrap it around until there's no more bits of wire to wrap. But most of the time, if I've cut too much wire, I will snip off the ends. But this time I didn't use too much wire, so I can just wrap the rest around and it won't really look too bulky. And so here I am taking the regular pliers, and I'm just gonna kind of squish the pieces that are poking out that I can't twist anymore. And I'm just gonna, compress those down into the earring so that it doesn't poke anyone in their ear or in their neck, because these things dangle a lot. And normally, earring loops. Alright, so here's the little earring hoop that I have, or hook rather, and then I'm taking the needle nose pliers and I'm placing it. Well, once I'm done showing you. See, look, it's a hook. Alright, so once I'm done showing everybody, I place the pliers inside the little hole, like so, and then I'm just going to pull open the clasp, like so. Although you can't really see, but the hook is now open. And now it is time to slide the earring into the hole. Look how dangly. Okay, and now I'm going to close the little eyelid. And here we go. A little pressure and we're done. That was it. You just made yourself a prettiful, dangly, sparkly earring. Yes. Alright, we're doing one more, but this time I think I was able to get a better visual, because the first time that I did my first earring, I don't think I was doing too good, so let's try again. Alright, this time I won't talk, I shall just let you observe. Depending on how extravagant you want your earrings to be, by the way, this process should only take you about 5 minutes if you're just trying to make yourself really quick, cute little dangly, sparkly earrings, or whatever. I don't know. If you like to put random shit on your earrings like dinosaurs and all that, it should take you 5 minutes. Okay, and it looks like we are about finished with another dangly, beautiful earring. Very simple, hand wrapped, very fast to do. Look at all these earrings you made. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below for more because on Mondays and Tuesdays I come out with new videos. So if you have any comments or concerns, please feel free to put them down below. Alrighty. So I will see y'all next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.